Hey, so this is David with the Roofing Specialist, and we're doing a repair test for Brzezinski. And this is the shingle tab that we're going to be repairing or removing and then replacing. So we're going to go ahead and get this shingle out. In order to get this shingle out, we need to get the tab above it loose so we can pull it. I'm going to begin getting the nails out. Nails are really in here. One. Goes in the decking. Finally. Trying to be as gentle as possible, but
You're definitely nailed in well.
the head's bent. Can't get the head out, it's bent down. So I need to also, I'm just gonna check to see if this pulls out. It's not pulling out. We gotta get the nails out of this tab above it as well in order to pull this one out. There we go.
See how, let's see, right here, some of the granulars coming loose.
We got some more right here.
Coming loose here.
And that's before we've even...
That's even before we've even put in the shingle to replace the old shingle.
So let's... Thank you, sir. Being as gentle as possible.
And then we're going to place the nails with brand new nails. You got the new nails. That's a brand new shingle.
All right, so this tab needs 4 nails in. So we need 1 here. Crooked. It's hard to get these nails in. That one's bent, you can tell.
See, making sure that he gets the nail flush with the decking. Lifting the shingle just enough not for the hammerhead to hit the shingle when he's driving the nail into the shingle.
Alright. Where's the brush? What we're going to do is take this brush, this is where the test area was at, just to see if any granules came loose. And we don't see any severe granule loss or cracking in the test area that we have not touched. Now if we move over here, we got, if we can zoom in right here, you'll see a bunch of granules coming loose. As we do this more right here, you can see that cracking that we pointed out earlier, another little bit right here. Not too much on this top area because we just had to remove the nails, but this one that we